5 miles from Andy's house is Swansea town centre, and today a member of the Thai community has asked Tan Sawat to conduct a blessing.
This used to be one of the main shopping streets of Swansea.
This is the first time he has done a public blessing in Wales.
It's very strange for me today. It's the first time for me in the shop or in the center like this. Normally in the forest.
Is it strange having lots of people around you?
Yes. Like people looking at me and like something what we are wearing is different from people.
And how does that make you feel?
Shy.
The tradition is for blessings to be performed by an odd number of monks, and 2 others have travelled down from Birmingham. Kachana, the owner of the stall, recently moved into the market.
I feel very excited, and all of my friends come to support me.
Bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhaṃ saranang gacchāmi. Dhammaṃ saranang gacchāmi. We try to not to show off about who we are, about what we are doing.
Much to his surprise, someone else takes advantage of Sawat's visit.
It was nice, it was just something different. They said they could do it, so I thought after all these years in the market we could do something, isn't it? Have it blessed?
And I think it's uplifted the market.
Oh,
it's such a nice atmosphere.
The atmosphere today has been brilliant.
Yeah.
It really has.
And
it really
the food
has.
was excellent.
Yes.
Really nice.